this long flight back home, and all the cloudy sky, just looking through the window, beautiful line of horizon. I have to let go someone I never knew. How could I grieve in someone, although I never asked one? I feel I need to love someone that I don't yet know, in hope to feel his lonely heart and all the sorrow. I feel I need to miss someone that I don't yet know. Can I, can I, can I? Turbulence at this height, despite there's moonlight, a little tremor